So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng triple data plus 149 for the video sa ating smart and TNT SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And dito guys, sa dial lang natin is asterisk 123, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And ayan guys, dito ang pipiliin natin is yung number 5, which is yung giga/araw-araw data. So type natin yung number 5, and then send. So piliin natin dito guys yung number 1, yung giga. Type number 1, and then send. So, ayan guys, hanapin nyo lang dito yung triple data plus. So, nasa number 3 siya. Kaya, ang ilalagay natin is number 3, then send. And ayan, piliin naman natin dito guys, yung for video. So, number 1. And lastly guys, dito, piliin natin yung number 2, which is yung 8 GB for 7 days na 149. So, type natin yung number 2, and then send. So, ayan guys, sabi dito, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng triple data plus 149 for videos, makakukuha tayo ng total of 15 GB. So, 8 GB plus 1 GB na video araw-araw. So, a total of 7 GB na yon plus only calls and text pa siya for 7 days and for only 149 pesos. So, para ma-subscribe, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng triple data plus 149 for videos sa ating smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.